what is happening to Nvda? What the hell is happening to Nvda? Nvda is just keep on flushing down, and this is not something really healthy for Nvda. But we will analyze in details, follow the entire video, and you will see where Nvda went wrong and what is the biggest reason that Nvda is flushing down on a very heavy volume. Almost 250 million shares sold in just 3 days. So now Nvda is trying to make that support of $115. Can be possible. As I told you in my yesterday's video, Nvda is also looking for that $118 as a support line. So this is the support line Nvda was looking, and right now it's trading below that $118.78. So if it just continues to flush down like this, probably Nvda might end up to $116.18 can end up. But let's analyze how long will this stock keep flushing down. I think probably if it has to flush down more, there is one more leg that will be going down, which will be $115.09. That will be the support of the stock if it really flushes down more. But if it doesn't, okay, we are on a good side. Again, as far as we don't break below 115, I'm telling you, when this opportunity really comes, just keep buying the stock, because this cheap price will never ever come on Nvda again, as you are seeing right now, because this is to capitalize. This is a perfect entry for Nvda right now, because this company is not lagging something. It's not really having some debts or something minus or facing some problems. No, everything is absolutely okay, but the stock is having a normal pullback, what is supposed to have, because this other earnings are coming, and of course the stock just cannot just keep climbing, and that is way too unfair for other stocks, because this company just came out of nowhere and right now sitting on the top 3 in the world, and that's really not fair for other companies who are really, they have been working hard for decades and decades, and this guy just came out and just blown off the stock market out of the blue. So Nvda coming down to $115, is that really good or bad? I think that's a very good healthy pullback, because when it climbs back back to the upper side, we will not be seeing that pullback anymore, because we already had 2 pullbacks here, one and this is second. So this 2 pullbacks we already have, and now what we are seeing is right on the push on the upper side to $140. But how long will it really take if it has to climb on the upper side? This is probably kind of like trickiest part, but again, we have to cross this kind of resistance: $125 resistance, $132 resistance, and $136 resistance. This can take probably the entire next week, because this week was all kind of resting week for big cap stocks. Because okay, there is a good news in the stock market that the interest rates, of course, they will go down. I mean, the Fed will just cut the interest rates. But on the other hand, the stock, they have to perform really good if this good news really comes in the market. But the fact is, they have been flushing down super hard just because of the normal correction, normal pullback, what the stock really has to do, and it's performing in a very healthy way, because right now it's consolidating, and after it's consolidated, it just curls back up. If you see something really interesting on a weekly chart, you see something really interesting. We still are on we are still on a very purely consolidation period. You see, I will draw the trend lines right here so you can understand me very, very clear. So this is on a weekly basis consolidation. You see here, it's been a long while that we really consolidated. You see here, climbing and little pullback and again back up. But right now, after finally after a year, we are consolidating on this stock. Well, I think this is a very healthy consolidation. When this kind of opportunity comes, just grab that opportunity. And also this can be, oh, so hold on. Oh God, what's happening? Okay, the stock can really come down to $114.50 if you go on a weekly chart. So this can be really possible if it has to come down so much that can make a double bottom. So double bottom, making a double bottom, that's a kind of confirmation the stock is on a very healthy pullback, kind of testing that area that this stock will not come back again to that level anymore. So if it comes down, I am telling you, keep adding shares more and more and much as possible. Just keep doing that. And believe me, you will never ever regret if you do that. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. And I traded Nvda today, which I made $35,000 on a single trade by shorting this stock. But well, in our group, we day trade every single day. We swing trade and long terms. If you have to buy the stocks, of course, you get clear suggestion. You can see my positions and all. So join the group. You can day trade with us and all other members. They're trading with us. They're making profit. Even you can join. You can make profit. This $35,000 was made in a single trade. So it was made on a single trade, and even you can make this possible. You can make this possible, and do that. Believe me, you'll never ever regret. You're gonna love it, because enjoy the stock market. Just don't leave the chances just empty. Take the opportunities when it comes in your way, and take that chance and capitalize much as possible, and add that money in your portfolio, because these companies, they will print you a lot of money that you can ever imagine. And how did I really short the stock? Of course, I was expecting the stock to go to $118, and the volume and everything was very clear for me. As you see here on, I will go, hold on. So right here. So this was the market open right here. So we got the position right here on $120, and $118 was very clear for me that this stock is gonna come back to $118. But really taking forward, and I was not thinking that this stock will really flush down. Excuse me. This stock really will flush down to $117. I was not expecting today, actually. I was expecting tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but it did today. But that's absolutely okay. It's nothing to regret, nothing to say. But the best thing I will do on this kind of opportunity is I will keep on adding on the long term more and more shares. If you want to know more for the swing trades, what I'm doing, join the Discord. You will see what I'm buying, what I'm selling. You can copy the trades, what I'm doing. Probably you can take advantage. Believe me, you will gonna love it. All our members, they're loving the Discord, and you will love it. You will not regret. Believe me, you will not regret. You're gonna love it. So $2 we just capitalized on this short. And how did I really identify it's a very clear short? It's all about the experience, chart reading. It's all about that. You can come to Discord, you can learn there, and you can give advantage to yourself, and you can trade with us. Probably it costs you nothing. It just costs your own portfolio to trade for yourself and give treat to yourself. Do not gamble in the stock market. Never ever gamble. Learn and approach the market. Believe me, you will make a lot of money. Just learn about the market and capitalize on that. So thank you so much. Nvda will come back, and this is a very good buying opportunity if you're buying for the long term. And believe me, earnings are coming. This stock will come back to the normal levels. And on today's trade, we made $35,000 on Nvda. Follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description. Follow me on Instagram and join the group. The link is down in the description, or it's on Instagram link. You can join the group through there, or even through the YouTube down in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Nvda, $35,000 on a single trade today. So well, that was still okay. I could be much better, but next time we'll hook up more, probably tomorrow. See you next time. Bye bye.